I've had this rack for a couple months now, so I just want to do a quick review update for you to let you know what I'm thinking about it. So when I first got it, I was a little concerned because the price of it was so good compared to other ones. So I was a little worried the quality of it wasn't going to be as good. But I mean, it's holding up really nice. So I'm really impressed with that. It holds like a ton of my clothes. You can see here, I love that. The extension arms here are really nice. I wasn't sure if those were going to be very strong either, but yeah, they hold up my clothes really good. And then at the bottom down there, it's really convenient to be able to just put shoes or whatever. So you see I have a shoe box down there, but put shoes or whatever else you need down there. It's long enough so you can see how long my clothes are. So it's, I guess I meant it's tall enough to keep all of my clothes up off the ground, with, although it's still a really low profile and short unit. So, if you're looking for something like that, I think this is definitely a good one to check out. I'm happy with it.